Okay.
Oh god.
Are you gonna hold up a bucket of fries in your hand?
Oh no. Do it. Do it.
Are you getting Blake in there?
Oh god. Troll.
Just yell out. Oh god.
Hello.
People watching.
Hello.
That's fantastic. Do it again.
Play.
Aim the camera at me, because I want to say Trolololololololol.
Oh, that's
fly,
awesome.
my pretties, fly.
Look at that guy. Hello.
Like, I want to land and grab one, but the engine is terrifying.
Here, take one out of my hand. Take it out of my hand. Here, come here. Come on. Come on, you're so close. Come on.
Nope.
Scaredy birds.
There we go. There we go.
Shit, look over here.
Chuck was like, fuck you guys.
What's up?
Here, give me a french fry. I want to try to feed him. Hey. Watch this, watch this.
Hello.
Come on, have run closer.
Can you take french fry?
Have run closer. You want it? You want it? You want it? You want it? Look at the fries. Come and get it.
Yay!
They're salty and delicious.
Oh, that's beautiful. Hello again.
Hi. He's like, where the fuck are my fries at?
What's up?
It's hilarious. We have people looking at us.
Of course.
We are trolling life right
He's got one.
What did he take?
What else? Let's try the apples. That's why I originally got them.
Apples.
I don't know. They might go for the apples.
now. We'll probably go for
Oh, they're gonna
Put them on the hood of the car.
I'm going
You
to.
just hit my
Sorry.
video camera. I don't think they're so sure about the apples there. Like, apples. What's this? What's this? Pick it up, drop it. That's not a french fry. I don't want that. That's not a french fry.
Let me see the camera. And that just goes to prove, even seagulls in America don't like something healthy. They like french fries.
Wait, there are more people staring at us. You know what would be really hilarious? Like something to wait up on top of the building, okay? Just to climb up there.
Do you know what'd be really
Bucket of
hilarious?
french fries. Just wait, okay?
Seagulls are
Someone
losing
walks
interest.
out, just dump the french fries on them and watch them be swarmed by seagulls.
Alright.
No, we should probably put like a whole thing of fries like right on the hood of the car. Like up on the windshield and everything.
Let's go to Walmart and get some birdseed.
Here.
Oh,